Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I do my heatless waves. And this is for the people that know how to braid. So if you don't know how to braid, hopefully you know a friend that knows how to braid. Or you can just keep on practicing on yourself until you get it. And once you do, trust me, it is totally worth it. I get so many compliments on when I do my hair like this. So, yas. So if you'd like to see how I get my hair from this to this, stay tuned. All right, so let's get started. I just took a shower, so my hair is still a little damp, which we kind of want. And then next step, what I do is I take some mousse. You can use whatever mousse you want, but I'm just using this olive oil Mega Moisture. And then I just put a little bit on my hair, just so it can give it that texture and that hold. It smells so good too. I got this from the beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store, but I think you can get it like at Walmart or Target. Or if you guys don't have mousse, my next option is hairspray. You could put a little bit of hairspray on your damp hair, like I said, just to get some of that texture. So I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just doing this just to show you guys and to get more texture. After we have our product in, you will get your rat tail comb. And then, sorry, the mirror is like right here, so you're just gonna part it right in the middle. You can make it as perfect as you want to, especially since you're gonna be going out and you don't wanna be looking crazy. But with me, I mean, I'm just kicking it. I'm just chilling. So there's two options for the back. Personally, I like to zigzag my back because once we take out the braids, it doesn't have that line. You won't have to tease the back of your head, if that makes sense. Because you know how like sometimes, like say if the wind blows or whatever, you'll see that little line right over here. With me, I like to zigzag it, so by the time you take it out, you won't see that line right there. But like I said, do what you want. So let's see if I can zigzag this. Did I get it perfect? I don't know. And then you take your scrunchie. All right, so we're gonna get to braiding. So when you braid it, you would want it to be some type of tight. You don't want it to be too loose. And you just do a regular 3-strand braid. Okay, now these aren't neat, okay? If I wanted them neat, I could have made them neat, but yeah. Side note, I had to put my ring on my necklace because I went to the gym today and the little weights and the dumbbells have those little rough parts and I didn't want it to scratch my ring, so let's put it right here. Tip for some of you guys. Well, anyways, so I'm finally done with my braids and I usually take them out the next day, so I'll be rocking these like all day and night. But if you guys don't have that time, you can always just use your blow dryers and just blow dry it out and let it sit for a bit, and then from there you could take it down. But I preferably would rather wait because, like I said, this is heatless waves, so why use a blow dryer when it's supposed to be heatless? But like I said, a lot of you guys don't have the time that I do, so that's another way for you guys to speed up the process. Oh, another thing too, when I wash my hair, I don't use conditioner. I only use shampoo, because if you use conditioner and then you try to braid your hair like this, conditioner kind of weighs down the hair and it kind of makes it too soft for me. I like just using shampoo because, you know, you still have more of that texture in there. I don't know if I'm making sense. That's just my personal preference. We're gonna let this sit out for a day/night and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, bye. Bam! So today is the next day and I had to put some dry shampoo in my hair. I didn't record that, but the reason why is because I just came back from the gym and my hair got a little sweaty. So I used a little bit of dry shampoo to kind of suck it all back up because I don't want my hair looking all greasy or whatever. But for the people asking what dry shampoo I use this, the Batiste, I don't know, whatever. But if you have any other dry shampoos that you can recommend, please put it down in the comments below. I don't really like this white residue that's going on right now, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of hairspray to kind of eliminate that. And it's light hairspray, so it's not like it's gonna make my hair looking all crunchy. So now it is time to take out the braids. Alrighty. Look at that. It already looks cute. Has really, really cute waves. You gotta be kind of gentle. You don't want to like do like that to your hair, because if so, it's gonna make it look a little staticky, if that makes sense. Bam. So that's what it looks like on one side. Let's take out the other. You can either leave it like this, or you can style it up however you want. Me, I like a lot of volume, so what I usually do is I part it to the side like so. I kind of do like a deep side actually. So like that. And I like to tease my hair a little bit. I know that some of you guys are against that, but to each his own. So I'm just gonna tease my hair. And this brush, I know it's a little dirty, ew. But I use this brush. I've had this brush since I was 13 years old and it has not left my side. But I just take a little section like this and then I just hairspray a bit. And then I tease it. Now, the tip to teasing, when you hold the hair, let me sink in real quick. When you hold the hair, don't hold it like that. You would want to try to flatten it like that to show the whole section instead of scrunching it. Do it like that and then tease. That's a tip that I learned from cosmetology school that I'm trying to put you guys on game. So another section. Using hairspray will hold the tease longer. So you just tease it. You start from the bottom and you kind of go up like that. And then again, this is so funny. I feel like I'm just kicking it, just teasing my hair. Same. Look at that, it's already big as hell. This is one of Dario's favorite styles that I do. He calls me a lioness. Another thing about me, guys, is that I am super tender-headed. I am very tender-headed. I know, right? That's like a surprise. Like, I braid people's hairs, like I do all that stuff, but once that's teased, you will kind of want to just spread it out. You don't want to brush it out because, like I said, it's gonna get all staticky or whatever. So you just kind of separate it and finger comb it a bit. You don't want the waves to be all messed up, so you just kind of have to play with it until you get it to the look that you're going for. You guys see the difference? This is like all and then this one's like. So now we're gonna do the other side. Now, remember what I said about doing the zigzags? When you do the zigzags, you don't really see the line. It's a little bit more natural looking once you put it down because your hair is in that braid for so long. So when you take it down, it just kind of falls how it's supposed to compared to if you do a straight line. And then sometimes, like, if you part your hair like this, you can see the straight line. Like, I don't really like that look, but like I said, you can do whatever you want to. This is your hairstyle. With me, I kind of like laying my baby hairs down a bit. So you could use edge wax, you could use whatever you want, but I just use my handy dandy hairspray. Spray that down a bit and just kind of lay it. And I like putting it behind my ear, letting this hair hang down a bit. Bam. Natural, wavy type look. Your hair won't get damaged and it's cute, especially for the spring or the summer when you just kind of want your hair just to be effortless and cute at the same time. So that's what it looks like close up. And it's fun to do different styles. I really like this braid out look because you can put your hair half up, half down, let it go crazy, or you could just keep it down like this or whatever style you want. So my only tip is just to not brush it out because, like I said, it's gonna get looking all staticky and then looking, and you know, you kind of want the waves to be a little bit more defined. But yeah, this is how I get my heatless waves. 360. I used to do it with my short hair all the time when I had it like up to here, and I got so many compliments on it. So even with short hair too, you could just do it. You could just do this hairstyle with any type of hair, and I just feel like it's gonna look bomb. So yeah, just give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Like I said, if you're not a braider, I really hope you know somebody that knows how to braid to kind of help a sister out. So yes. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope that I helped you out with another hairstyle that you guys can do in the future. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.